You ever wonder how a local business, especially one you're letting into your home, actually earns your trust? It's a huge deal. Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain on a family owned company called AT Electric. We're going to deconstruct piece by piece how they talk about their work and build that all important confidence in their community. So let's dive in and see what we can learn. Okay, so let's start with a big question. When we talk about electrical safety in your own house, what are we really talking about? Is it just, getting the lights back on, or is it something deeper? This is the core idea we're going to unpack. The difference between just a quick fix and real, genuine peace of mind. All right, first up, let's look at the bedrock of any business you're going to trust, its mission. This isn't just about what they do day to day. This is all about their why. Now, listen to the words they use here. They don't just say, "We fix wires." No way. The mission is built around prioritizing safety and hitting the highest standards. You see, that kind of deliberate language, that's where the foundation of trust really begins. It's all intentional. And this right here, this is the heart of it. They're basically saying they're not just technicians, they're protectors. The whole focus shifts from the technical job of, restoring power to the emotional benefit of keeping a family safe. That's a huge difference. So, if that's their why, then how do they actually do it? How do they build that bridge of trust with their customers? Let's take a look at the pillars they use to get it done. They start with something super simple, but really powerful. A number. 25 plus years. You gotta understand, that's not just a number on a page. It's a statement. It screams stability, expertise, and a long, long history of doing things the right way. And what's really clever is how all these pieces fit together. You got that deep experience, right? But then they pair it with that personal, family-owned vibe. They keep hammering that safety message, they promise they can handle anything, and they make it easy to say yes with honest pricing. It's basically a formula for reliability. This quote, "This is so critical." It's a direct promise that you're going to get a different kind of experience. They're telling you, hey, we're not some giant faceless corporation. We're your neighbors. That simple idea creates a feeling of community and honestly, a feeling of accountability. Okay, so let's get into the what, the actual services they provide. Now, a list of services can be kind of boring, right? But watch how they frame them. They're not just tasks, they're solutions that make a family's home safer. This is such a perfect example of their whole strategy. See, an electrical panel upgrade isn't just a technical job. It's a direct way to reduce fire risk. LED lighting, it's not just about aesthetics. It's safer because it produces less heat, especially with kids around. Every single thing they offer is tied right back to that core promise of safety. But of course, talk is cheap. Any company can say this stuff about themselves. The real test, the real proof, is what their actual customers have to say. So let's look at what the community is saying. So check out Michael's review. He hits on 3 magic words that every homeowner wants to hear when something goes wrong. Same day, fast, and professional. When you've got an urgent problem, that speaks volumes about competence and just being there when you need them. Now, Susanna's review adds another really important layer. Yeah, she talks about affordability and speed, but that one phrase, he legitimately cares. Wow. That reinforces that whole neighborly promise we talked about. It suggests that their motive is about more than just the money. And then there's Danny's review, which kind of seals the deal, doesn't it? Go out of his way, done correctly, and then the ultimate sign of trust, customers for life. This isn't about one single job anymore. This is about building a real long-term relationship. So when we put it all together, the mission, the promises, the proof from customers, what's the big picture? What's the story that they're ultimately telling? This slide right here really brings it all home. They are drawing a line in the sand. On one side, you have a standard contractor who just completes a job. But on the other, they're positioning themselves as a safety-focused partner who delivers peace of mind, protects your loved ones, and treats your home like their own. It's a really powerful shift in how you think about it. And that really just leaves us with one final thought to chew on. When you hire someone to come into your house, what are you actually buying? Is it just a repaired outlet, or is it the confidence, the peace of mind that your family is safe? It's something worth thinking about for sure.